What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I got an unboxing of something I just got in the mail on Saturday. Shout out to Ideal Barber Supply for always hooking it up and getting that shipping done ASAP. They're very great with processing their orders and getting everything shipped out in a timely manner. So just shout out to Ideal Barber Supply. I'll leave a link down in the description. They always have great stuff. They also always have a lot of 245 stuff as well, so go check them out. But other than that, we'll get to the product, and what I have is the Profile Lithium Shaver. As you can see there, it's got that rose gold color. It's got the black button on there. Super dope, look it has. I love I love this shaver more than any other shaver that I've used so far. I have used like the Bronze Series 9, wasn't a big fan. I know a lot of people hyped it up. I have not used any of the Gamma Plus shavers yet. I did use the Babyliss shaver and I wasn't a fan. For me, it was just a little bit too heavy. It was like something to get used to. And I am a creature of habit, so trying to get adjusted to new clippers and whatnot is a bit of, something that I really don't care to do. But I did start rocking with the Babyliss, clippers. So that's something that's, new to the arsenal. But the biggest thing with tools is that you got to find what works for you, what you can get adjusted to, what feels comfortable to you. So in my opinion, I love the Andis Profile Shaver. So I had to cop this Rose Gold Edition and see what it's about. But we'll get to the unboxing and let you see what's in the box.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So we got our box right here, typical Andis, packaging and everything. Always A1, have so many descriptions on it of what's going on with the product they put out. Just like the other Andis shaver, this one right here, you have a lithium-ion battery. It says delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime, lightweight, less than 5 ounces, which I really like. It's a powerful and quiet rotary motor. So we'll get this opened up and let's just see what's in it. So like with any, clipper you get from any company, you're gonna get a pamphlet with instructions on how to use it, how to take care of it and whatnot. So we got that in the box. And there's not much to this, it's just a shaver, but you have your charging cord, of course. I already got one, so I'm gonna toss this back in the box. And then last but not least, we got ourselves a shaver right here. And this thing right here is super, super clean. As you can see there, Andis really did their thing with these. I really like the colorway. I really like, the detail they took. They got the black accent pieces, the black on and off switch. My opinion, at the moment, best trimmer hands down. I really enjoy Andis's shaver. Does the job, gets the job done all the time, and it's a smooth shave every time. So, like I said, hands down, best shaver in my opinion. So you see what's in the box, you seen the trimmer. Hands down, I suggest that you go out and get you one. In my opinion, for beginners, experts, people who've been cutting for a minute, I highly suggest, the Andis trimmer. It's a great trimmer. It's super affordable, not that expensive, and it gets the job done. It's never failed me. I really enjoyed these a lot better than the wall shavers, the finales, over the Bronze, over the Babyliss, like I said. So if you need an affordable shaver, you need something that is gonna stay, stand the test of time, suggest getting you the Andis shaver. And it don't even have to be this one, it could be the old gray one too, but I just had to cop this because of the rose gold. I thought that was just a super dope colorway. But I appreciate you for tuning into this unboxing video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, smash that like button. Also, we're almost at 2K. It's steadily moving along, but we're up to like 1640 now. And at 2K, I will be doing a 245 Power Mac giveaway. So stay tuned for that. But once again, I appreciate everybody who is subscribed to the channel. I appreciate everybody who's been supporting and just riding with the channel. Truly grateful for everybody's support. Also, today is November 2nd. It is your boy's birthday. I'm turning 30 today. So it's been a huge blessing just to have another year of life. And all I could pray and ask for is more years of good health and continue to grow in this industry and grow on YouTube. So, but like I said, once again, shout out to everybody who is subscribed to the channel. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Go check out some of my old videos. Go throw some likes on them. Follow me on Instagram at Jayblends_. And until next time, God bless.